Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get a Behance badge. First, what exactly is Behance badge? It is a shiny tag that you see on some project. That means that your work was curated and featured by Behance official team. It shows that your project stood out among thousands of submissions. This gives your work more visibility, which helps you attract clients and establishes credibility in the creative community. Now, to actually get one, the first tip is to share only your best work. So go ahead and create your first project. On the top right, click on this Share Work button and select Project. Now, make sure that your projects are innovative, polished, and well presented. Go ahead and use high quality images or visuals for it. Upload sharp images that are at least 1400 pixels wide and avoid using distracting watermarks. Then, go ahead and tell your story. So go and add a text. Then, tell your story. Include context about your process, your inspiration, and your role in the project. This helps viewers connect with your work on a deeper level. After that, another important point is to choose the right cover image. Now, click on the settings on the right side. Then in here, click on Edit Cover Image. Then, click the Add button or the plus sign button. Here, you need to choose the right one, make it eye-catching, and accurately represent your project. Then, click on the crop button. Now, give a proper title for your project and then tag your work properly where you can go and choose the correct creative field. You can also go and add a category for it and now add in the tools that you used. And once done, you can now go ahead and publish it. But make sure that your project is complete. Do not upload something half finished and plan to fix it later. Make sure your project tells a full story with at least 5 to 10 high quality images. Once done, click the Publish button. Now, finally, it's time to engage with Behance community. To do that, go back to your dashboard. You can go and search for a topic that you'd like. Now, engage on other artists' works. So just click on one. Then, go ahead and appreciate their works. Now, you can also go and leave a meaningful comment and post it. Then, stay active on your account. Creators tend to notice creators who are genuinely involved in the community. And that's it. That's how you can get your Behance badge. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.